How to start editing PDFs online with PicoPDF. To start editing PDFs in PicoPDF Online, go to picopdf.nchsoftware.com and open your file by clicking the blank workspace or using the Open button on the toolbar. Once your PDF is loaded, simply click on any text to edit it. The formatting options appear just below the toolbar, allowing you to adjust the font style, size, and color. Use the Home tab for quick actions like adding new text, images, or signatures, as well as performing tasks such as merging, compressing, and converting PDFs to JPG or PNG formats. For editing content, switch to the Edit tab, where you can add text and images, insert watermarks, add hyperlinks to text, highlight important sections, or redact sensitive information. Select text to cut or copy, then paste it elsewhere, or use standard keyboard shortcuts for these actions. To manage the structure of your document, go to the Pages tab. Here, you can add new pages, delete existing ones, or rearrange them. On the left side, the Page Manager provides a visual overview of all pages, allowing you to rotate, extract, delete, or drag and drop pages to reorder them as needed. You can also crop pages, rotate individual pages or the entire PDF, extract single or multiple pages, split the PDF into two parts, or split all pages. To save your edited PDF, click the Download button on the Home tab. Create a free NCH account by entering your email address in the Sign Up dialog. Once completed, your finalized document will be saved to your device. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.